Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here we have a 2018 ZB Commodore RS hatchback, 3.6 auto all drive V6. Had a whack in the front there, scrape on the right hand rear door. Do a quick walk around here. Airbags have gone off, as you'll see in a second. It's a RS cloth trim. There's our compliance plate there, and there's some specs, and there's a couple more there. All fairly standard in there. 90,000 kilometres, I think. We'll start up in a sec. Still drives, we won't drive it too far though. Jump inside here. Keys. Don't really need to take them out of the pocket, do we? Alright, press that button there. 97,604 kilometres. Run it for too long because the radiator's a bit squashed. Okay, there you have it. One ZB Commodore for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Give us a call on the number on the wall, 02 4646 1733, for your ZB bits and pieces, and any other parts that matter. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.